Ever wished you could create jaw-dropping videos without spending hours editing? What if I told you AI can do it for you? Faster than you can say lights, camera, action. Stick around because today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered video creation. Spoiler alert, it's about to blow your mind. And no, you don't need to be a tech genius or have a Hollywood budget. Ready to unlock your inner Spielberg? Let's go. First up, say goodbye to endless hours of cutting and splicing. AI tools like Pictory and Runway ML can edit your videos in minutes. Just upload your footage and let the AI work its magic. It's like having a personal editor who never sleeps or complains about overtime. Honestly, the only thing you'll need to do is decide whether to add a dramatic filter or keep it classic. Tough life, right? But wait, it gets better. What if I told you AI can also write your script? Yep, you heard that right. Staring at a blank page? AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can whip up a script faster than you can finish your coffee? Just give it a topic and boom, your video's storyline is ready. It's like having a co-writer who's always on caffeine. Now the real question is, will the AI win an Oscar before you do? But hold on, because we're not done yet. What if I told you AI can even add special effects that'll make your videos go viral? Imagine adding Hollywood-level effects to your videos with just a few clicks. AI can generate stunning visuals, animations, and even deep fake effects. Your videos will look so good, people will think you hired a whole production team. Just don't blame me when your friends start asking if you've secretly joined Marvel Studios. Now, before you rush off to create your masterpiece, here's the best part. All of this is accessible to you, right now. These AI tools aren't just for big brands or tech gurus. Most of them are affordable, user-friendly, and designed for creators like you. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's an AI tool waiting to take your videos to the next level. But here's the kicker. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll stand out. So what are you waiting for? AI isn't just the future, it's the present. And it's here to help you create stunning videos in minutes, not hours. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone who loves making videos, these tools are your secret weapon. So, grab your camera, fire up your favorite AI tool, and start creating. Who knows? Your next video might just break the internet. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the first video you're going to create with AI? Let's inspire each other. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest AI tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome.